No, numericals on interference. Numericals on interference. No, if you can also write. So see here, there are some formulae. One is the, first you see the experimental setup of YDSE, Young's double slit experiment. So in that experimental setup, there are three opaque screens. One is this, having a hole at the center, which is illuminated by a monochromatic source of light. Not hole, it is a rectangular slit. And there are, on the other screen, there are two narrow rectangular slits parallel to each other as well as parallel to the slit S. This is the slit S1 and this is the slit S2. They will become the coherent sources. All these things already I have explained in the previous lecture. This is the distance between the double slits. This is called the plane of double slit. And there is another screen on which interference pattern is obtained. This we call simply as screen. And the distance of this screen from the plane of double slit, it is capital T. Now see here, this point of the screen, it is just in front of the center of double slit. At this point, central bright fringe will be formed. Here central bright fringe will be formed. Then at the other points of the screen, there will be bright fringe or dark fringe according to the path difference. There will be bright fringe if the path difference is even multiple of lambda by 2. Dark fringe if the path difference is odd multiple of lambda by 2. You can see the fringe pattern also. If I make the fringe pattern, then it will be something like this. Here there is a central bright fringe. Then there is a first order dark fringe. Then first order bright fringe. Once again, second order dark fringe. These dot shaded one are the dark fringes. This is a dark fringe. Bright fringe. Here also this is a dark fringe. This is bright fringe. It is clear. So this is central bright fringe. Then this is the first order dark fringe, first DF. This is second DF. This is third DF. And bright fringes are where? This is the first BF. This is the second, no, this is 0 BF. Central bright fringe, it is the bright fringe of 0 order. This is the first bright fringe. This is the second bright fringe. It's clear. So this way. Now see here. This is the point P whose distance from the central bright fringe is x. If at point P, there is bright fringe of mth order, then what will be the value of x? So you can see x will be equals to m lambda d upon small d. It's clear. But these are the formulae you must remember. If at point P there is dark fringe of mth order, then that we can write as it is xm and it is x dash m equals to 2m minus 1 into lambda d upon 2 into small d. It is clear. This will be x dash m. Then there is one formula of fringe width. fringe width. Fringe width beta equals to lambda into capital D upon small d. This is the beta. Beta is what? It is the distance between two consecutive dark fringes or distance between two consecutive bright fringes. It is clear. Now bright fringe will form when the path difference is even multiple of lambda by 2 or it is 0. It is clear. Here m begins from this. While dark fringe will form when path difference is odd multiple of lambda by 2. So now we will do some numericals over this. So you can see here. Now see here. Here this is a question which has been asked in 2008. Here 2008. And all of you must remember the experimental setup. Experimental setup की knowledge सबको होनी चाहिए. This is S1 slit S1, this is slit S2. Their distance is given 1 mm. And here this is the screen. This distance is given 1 meter. Here there is a B1 and this is B2. So figure shows the position of the first bright fringe B1 and B2 on either side. On the either side means this is the first, this is central bright fringe, this is first bright fringe here in this side, and here this is the first bright fringe in this side, B1 and B2. It is clear. Now where will be central bright fringe? Central bright fringe will be somewhere here. This will be central bright fringe. It is clear. Central bright fringe के बाद B1 होगी. अगली bright fringe क्या होगी? That will be B1. And B2 on either side of the bright fringe O. Bright fringe, this is O. It is clear. O in Young's double slit experiment. Find the wavelength of light, this lambda. First you see the diagram. Here what is given? Distance between S1 and S2 is known as what? It is small d. It is the distance between the two slits. It is equal to 1 mm. 1 mm that is equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. It is clear. Now this capital D is 1 meter. Now what will be B1, B2? B1, B2, if you see from the diagram, then B1, B2 will be equal to S1, S2 because it is given here. B1, B2 will be equal to S1, S2. Now what will be in terms of beta? So see here, यहाँ पर central bright fringe, इससे अगली bright fringe क्या होगी? B1 होगी. Distance between two consecutive bright fringes is known as what? It is the fringe width. Means OB1 and OB2 are what? OB1, this you can write OB1 plus OB2, and OB1 and OB2 both are beta. So beta plus beta, that is 2 beta. But you know that S1, S2 is 1 mm, that is 2 beta equals to 1 mm. So what will be beta? It will be 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now you have to determine lambda. What is the formula of beta? You can use lambda d upon small d. So lambda will be equal to what? Beta into d upon capital D. It's clear? So beta is given here, small d is this and capital D is this. So you can find out this. So if you substitute here, what will you get? Lambda equals to beta is how much? 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Small d is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon capital D is 1. So it will be 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 6. It is in meter, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. But all of you remember one thing, अगर वेवलेंथ पूछी गई है, then either you will write the answer in nanometer or in angstrom. Preferably it should be written in nanometer. 1 meter equals to 1 nanometer equals to how many meters? 10 to the power minus 9. So this you can write 500 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. That is 500 nanometer. This will be the wavelength. It's clear? Now you can see one more question. Here this question has been asked in 2010. Question is, in YDAC, what is the path difference between two light waves forming fifth order bright fringe? Fifth order bright fringe. What will be the path difference that you have to determine? So already I have told that what will be the path difference for mth order bright fringe. For fifth mth order bright fringe, it will be m into lambda, that is 2m into lambda by 2. So see here, for fifth order bright fringe, path difference will be equals to 2m into lambda by 2, that is m into lambda. You can simply write m into lambda. It's clear? So it will be equal to how much? 5 into lambda, because m is given here 5. M equals to 5. So